Hey, welcome to Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a look at a SUPERMAX LG-1768H engine lathe. And this is a really nice machine from late 80s. It just about breaks 1990, but it's in very nice condition overall. And it has a set of Accurite 2-axis readouts on it, and a 3-jaw chuck, and an Aloris tool post. And everything runs really nice. The ways are in very good condition. The machine has a full-length chip guard, a pull-out chip pan, a foot brake, and it's very well appointed and runs well. We're going to move it around in a number of aspects, show the machine running, and go from there. Okay, right now we can see the cross feed feeding. And the readout's working. Currently we're showing the chuck running at 70 RPM, and as I mentioned, the machine has a foot brake. I'm only going to show a few spindle speeds. This is the highest speed in the low range at 160. Right now we're gonna hear 540. And this is 1,000. This is 1,600. Lastly, 2,000. So lastly, I just want to capture that all the handles and the bezels and dials and buttons on this machine are all in really excellent condition and very legible, and everything works really nicely. And it's in good condition. And it's ready for its next round of service. Hey, as always, thanks for viewing Machinery Video. This machine is under power for inspection by appointment anytime, and have a great day.